Judd here, Lucinda's garden at Judd's house. Big stormy clouds filling the sky. Over there, nice bright blue day. Over here, looks like the end of the world. I'm not sure if anything's going to come in or not, but I was walking around, I looked at this, and this is now showing a little bit of white there. So I think there's a good chance it'll go tonight. Of course, I've thought it was going to go for the last 2 nights. Yeah, that or it might just fall off and die. But good chance that could go tonight, in which case we'll have a nice time lapse for tomorrow. And that really looks like it's ready to go, doesn't it? Sure does to me. Oh, baby. Okay, Judd here. Hey, how you doing? I was ready for this thing to pop tonight. What I wasn't ready for was it to get an early start. It's only 6:15. Still got sun high in the sky. And the queen of the night here apparently is a little anxious. Kind of like me, I popped out a couple months early. Anyway, so I've set up my cameras here quick and in a hurry. We'll follow this with a time lapse through the night. Look at that beauty. Oh, baby. Okay, so I'm going to have this view and I'm going to have this view. So we'll get that. Gee, I wonder what it's thinking with all this sunshine on it. Anyways, we'll find out tomorrow. Stay tuned for the next episode of Blooming in Lucinda's garden at Judd's house with the queen of the night. Okay, that's ridiculous. Now I just gotta hope it don't rain, because those, I can't put the external power on those with the waterproof case on them, and they aren't going to last the night without the external power. So if it rains, I'm kind of screwed. So given the condition of the skies, still stormy, I made some extra precautions, pulled out a couple of sheets of corrugated galvy, placed them up here as a lean-to cover my cameras, and went ahead and repositioned the cameras so that one of them has a straight-on shot of the bloom and the other one's got the side shot. And there's enough light under there. This thing is so white it's very hard to shoot anyway, because you put light on it and it's just a big white blur. When I do bring the electric light out here to light it all night, I'm going to have to take care of it so it's not right on it. Also, you see that thing's wobbling back and forth just a wee little bit. It's anxious to come out. It's 8:30 now, and that thing hasn't changed at all. So apparently it wasn't going early. It's just that's what it looks like when it's ready to go. Because I still think that's going tonight. You can see I've set up some light. These are some white string lights I've got that I figured would be not as intense as the lighting I used last year, which just burnt everything out. So this is pretty mild, and hopefully that'll just give me enough light to show that thing without burning it out, because like I said, it is so totally white. So got that ready to go. I'm all ready to go here as soon as it decides to go. And I hope my batteries don't die before it decides to go.